Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today I'm sharing a really fun video on ways you can make your own stickers, your own phone case, planner stickers. It's almost the new year, so why not start doing a little bit of organizing just to get a head start before Christmas, or if you are looking for Christmas gifts and you want to customize your own. I love being able to print out my own photos at home. I also like making my own stickers and a little fun AI to go with that. Thanks to Liene for sponsoring today's video. They sent me their Pixcut S1 and I'm gonna share all the fun things that I made with it to get started for the new year. This is the Liene Pixcut S1. It combines smart printing and precision cutting in one compact machine, designed specifically for home crafters, beginners, and small businesses. No separate devices or complicated setups required. I did take off the cover and I did want to start out by making some stickers. I really want to get my craft room organized, so I did just go into Canva and make these labels for some of the jars that I just do not have labels on. I kind of kept some of them really simple, but this only takes a few minutes and I just love how quick and simple this is just to make stickers. There's nothing extra you have to do. It's so simple, not complicated. And on this side, it's going to print in a few different layers and then it's going to come out the other side to cut. The Pixcut S1 features a high precision intelligent cutting system and a premium 0.1 millimeter fine blade. It delivers clean, razor sharp kiss cuts without pressure, tuning, or calibration. Whether your design is simple or detailed, it cuts with accuracy, reducing waste and improving production efficiency. The printer preparation settings, you can manually adjust sticker margins to achieve minimal or zero margin cuts. It allows you to fit more stickers on each sheet, reduce wasted space, skip secondhand cutting entirely. And when it comes to printing, they use a thermal dye sublimation technology. So it has a higher resolution dot thermal print head and 167 million colors. Now this is what I really wanted to organize in my craft room, since I am going to be in here so much more after the holiday season. And I just really wanted to get things under control just a little bit, because this is the messiest place in my house. Maybe I'll work on more, but I just really loved these labels and I think it is going to be great for when I actually get back into crafting. These are also some planner stickers. I am always using my planner, so I really wanted to be able to just kind of make my own stickers. I found these in Canva and I just uploaded them to the Liene app and we're just cutting them away. I just love how the color is just so vibrant and pretty and it just kind of really just stands out, and I love that. Anytime I am cutting pictures out or printing or doing anything like that, I really want a high resolution and a good quality photo. I really needed some inspirational quotes on here since this is Christmas week and I really wanted to make sure that I got everything done. I am definitely going to have to make a huge list because Christmas is in just a few short days. If you don't want to customize your own stickers, no worries. Their rich template library has access to a vast collection of free templates and design elements across diverse themes and styles. This built-in library offers endless creative options, making it easy to find perfect design for any project. I really loved this cat one. We are a cat family. We have 3 of them, so I thought this would be perfect. And you can see the lines where the stickers are, so they are easy to pull right off. And like, how cute are these? One of my favorite things about this entire app is their AI lab. This is such a fun one, and of course I had to make a few different items on here. So what you have to do is just go into the AI lab, and this is the app right here on my phone, and I scrolled down until I saw these really cute stickers you could make of your pets for Christmas. This is our pet Leo, and I wanted to do something with him. It takes just 1 to 2 minutes for them to do the AI technology on here, but this is absolutely the cutest thing. It automatically recognizes image edges and extracts designs for precise cutting every time with no manual adjustments needed. Simple upload a photo or design, tap once and it's ready to cut. No complex design software required. Perfect for beginners with no design experience. The brand new AI lab also supports virtual background generation, face swapping, cartoon patterns, and character creation, which I'm actually really excited to use those eventually because I think these will be really great gift ideas. It doesn't matter if it's Christmas or Valentine's Day or birthdays. I think this is just going to be such a fun way to create custom designs for anybody in your family, friends. I just thought this was so fun, and like, look how cute these turned out. These look just like our cat Leo. And this one was definitely a Christmas gift. So I went to that pet portrait. This is the photo that I am going to use. This is of my mom's dog, Hutch. And look how cute this ended up turning out. This dog is not going to sit under the Christmas tree in a Christmas sweater and look all cute. So why not just use a little AI lab and bring this to life? I just thought this was so cute. I sized it to the size I wanted. And this is actually going to be a sticker, but if you didn't want it to, you could switch it over to the photo paper, which I will show you in a little bit. So this does cut stickers, and it does just make and print photos. So if you're just looking for a photo machine, this is it. But honestly, the stickers are hands down the most fun to make. I thought was really cool. It's a photo back film and it works on all kinds of phones. I'm going to be making this one for my daughter. So she came up with this photo and I just really wanted to test this out to see how great it was. And like I said, the quality is spot on. You just go preview, you can move it around to wherever you want because you are going to have to cut certain parts out of this. And I just love, like I said, love the quality of this and the high resolution photo. It just turned out so good. And all you have to do is peel off the remaining part and just add it to your phone. It is that simple. And it was such a fun, customizable idea. Like I said, I think this is really great if you want to gift a gift. Gift to gift, yeah. But this is so cool, and the precision of the cutting is spot on. Like this phone, when I put this sticker on the phone, I was like, this is absolutely spot on. This is amazing. And I got this in one shot, which I was pretty impressed with because sometimes when you're putting on those screen protectors and things like this, you have to kind of do it a couple times. But I guess that's what happens when I worked in the cell phone company 15 years ago, that I still can do this. So if you need your screen protector put on or a sticker backing, I got you. And of course, I just had to print out a regular photo. This does take 4x6 paper, and it does come with the 4x6 paper and the 4x7 sticker paper when you purchase this little printer. So this is an all-in-one mobile app experience compatible with iOS and Android, connects up to 3 devices simultaneously, simple and beginner friendly for sure. You can even snap a photo of anything, memories, artwork, or everyday items, and you can instantly turn it into a custom sticker for journals, crafts, home organization, and so much more. So if you guys want to check out Liene's Pixcut S1, I will link it in the description box below so you can customize your own items as well.